Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I'm standing in front of our Avancé Embroidery Machines. So there's a couple really special things about these machines. One is that they come to your door ready to sew on flats and caps. So what that means is they come with tons of hoops, but they also come with a cap driver and a cap hoop. So you can customize trucker hats and baseball caps just like you see here. The other really cool thing is that they come with training and support. So you don't need to know how to embroider. We're going to teach you from start to finish how to sew left chest logos and how to sew on hats. So custom hats are a really popular item for a lot of the embroiderers out there. You can put fun and unique designs on them, but you can also put corporate logos and mascots and a lot of other things. But something really unique that you can do with hats is you can do 3D embroidery. So by using puff, or also known as foam, from colemanandcompany.com, you can make really unique hats just like this. So let's show you the supplies we used and how we did it. We are using a Port Authority 5-panel foam trucker cap for this project today, and we're also using cap backing. Now this is a tearaway backing, and it comes in both a roll like we're using here, but you can also find it in pre-cut sheets. So first thing I want to do is cut out my pieces of foam. Now you can find a variety of different colors on colemanandcompany.com, and they're going to come to you in a sheet like this. So what we did is we found the colors of foam that match up the colors of thread that we're going to be using. So when I'm ready to sew out my design, I'm going to place the piece of foam down first. Then my machine is going to embroider on top of it. When it's done, you'll just remove the excess piece of foam and lay down the next colored piece. Now when we ordered this digitized logo from ColDesiGraphics.com, we told them it was for 3D embroidery, so they know to place a stop after each color so I can remove the foam and put the new piece in place. The Avancé 1501C also features a full color touchscreen control panel. This allows you to follow your design as it's being sewed out, and it also makes it really easy to program in your color changes. A quick tip for when doing puff embroidery is to finish it off with a heat gun. This will slightly shrink the foam and give you a nice clean finish. So if you're looking at this hat and you're wondering what this logo is, it's the Custom Apparel Startups Podcast logo. So if you're looking for business advice, tips, tricks, or even if you just want to learn more about the customization industry, this is a great place to start. So you can listen to all the CES podcast episodes on customapparelstartups.com. And if you want to learn more about embroidering with the Avancé Embroidery Machines, go ahead and visit coldesi.com and live chat with one of our pros.